Hi guys. So I have had the longest 2 weeks ever. I didn't post a video last week. I missed a few weeks of videos or something like that. I don't really know. I lost my grandfather. He had been really sick, and it's been really tough on the family. I've been in Virginia now for 2.5, 3 weeks maybe, and I wanted to feel good. So for this week's video, I'm going to be decorating some Mickey ears, Taylor Swift themed. Now I've seen these ears all over Instagram and I think maybe Etsy or something, and figured maybe it was something that I could do. So I ordered some ears and some acrylic dual tip paint markers, and we're going to see if we can do this. But first things first, let's open up our little ears. So I have these plain leather black Mickey ears and these acrylic markers, and I'm going to paint on these leather ones Taylor Swift theme. It's gonna be like an Eras friendship bracelet, and I'm so excited. So I wanted to sketch it out first, but I don't usually do this when I do crafts. I usually just kind of jump in, so my sketch isn't exactly what I wanted it to be, but this is sort of the blueprint. I'm going to go based off of this. I might put something on the back. Like, I went to 2 shows, so I might do Long Live All the Magic We Made on the front, and on the back do Glendale Night 2 and then Los Angeles Night 5. Those are the nights I went. The Eras store, and I think that might be cute. I just spent like 30 minutes. Actually, it took me like 10 minutes to actually do it, and then I just stared at it because I was like, I actually kind of hate planning it out. But now I'm gonna go through and I think maybe plan the colors, because I do want that to be sort of planned out. So maybe that. Okay, so I just went through. I think I'm gonna leave the colors from the inspo pick that I'm using. I actually really liked the way she did it. The original person, I think she sells them. Gabby's Making Magic, if you don't want to make your own. Hers are beautiful, and I just sort of I liked what they look like, and I'm just making my own. I'm not going to sell these are just for me, but I like the black letters with the white beads, and then like just colorful beads in between. I might add 1 or 2 more of my own, and there's like spaces here depending on what it looks like on the actual ears. But I really do love these acrylic markers so far. We'll see how they do on like the pleather / leather material, but yeah, we might continue with this actual doing it in a little bit. Okay, literally that's all the progress I made. It might be too big, honestly, but these paint markers work really well. I'll have to do a second coat, but that's just with like a first coat. So, we'll see. Okay, I redid it a little smaller. I was able to get most of the white off, and I think I can just cover this up with black paint. If not, this will just be the back, and this, I'll flip it over. But so far, it's looking okay. This is first coat of white. I'm gonna do a heart right there. Here's the first pass. This is the first white coat and the first pink coat, and we're just gonna go over it one more time. this is pretty good coverage for one coat. And then we're gonna work on the second bottom part of it. Ah, so excited. And it dries like really fast. I mean like 4 seconds later. Okay, so this is coat number 2. I think for me to be completely happy with it, we might need to do 3 or 4 coats. But I love the way it's coming along. And it's like already dry. Super cute. Okay, this is number 3. The heart looks pretty good. I think I want to do maybe one more on the white just because it is lighter. But yeah, it looks good. Yay! Honestly, this is like 7 or 8 coats later, and I think it's the best I'm gonna get. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the letters in black on the beads, and see how that looks. Okay, here's the letters. Now I'm gonna work on the second part. Okay, here's the first coat of the second one with the star, and we're gonna just do the same thing we did before. I will update you soon. Santa Claus is packing the prayer. Okay, this is what we have so far. I'm obsessed. Now I do have the other side to do, but I have to go pick up someone from the airport soon, and I don't know if I want to push it to this side yet, but we'll see. You know what? I kind of actually love it. Like, I know it doesn't look perfect, but I love it. It's so cute. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star. Okay, so I'm finishing up the last, coloring in the last row of little beads on the front side, and I think I'm only gonna do the front for now and maybe come back and do the back later, because this was the craft I wanted to start and sort of finish while I was in Virginia. I will be flying home to California in a few days, so I want to finish this up so it's all dry, and so I'm gonna post this video showing you all showing how I made it. But it's come along so far so good. Been in Virginia for like 2 or 3 weeks now. Just spending time with family and just being around. My sister's birthday is actually this week, so I made sure my flight was after that so I could spend a little time with her and make sure that I got to see her around her birthday for the first time in a few years. And yeah, and then I'm gonna fly home, and then I have a Disneyland reservation for Friday. I will be working this week too, so it's gonna be a crazy week, but it should be a lot of fun. And I'm happy to be going home to California. Obviously sad to be leaving my family, but it was nice to actually spend a good chunk of time with everyone. at the end of the year. This is what we're working with. I'm filling these in a little bit more. I did write the magic, as you saw, with the little sparkles, and we're doing heart and beads there. I love these markers. Unfortunately, I only used like 4 colors for this, but I absolutely love them and would definitely recommend. I got them off of Amazon. And yeah, I just wanted to catch up for a minute or two, just so this video wasn't all just like arts and crafts, just a little chit chat catch up as well. But I'm excited to go to Disney on Friday. I am going to go to the Festival of Holidays and possibly meet a friend in the afternoon, but I'm really excited to try some of the Christmas snacks Disney has. Heard lots of good things. I also heard they have a lot of coffee options, so I'm excited to try one of those. And yeah, so I'm just talking while this is drying, but yeah, thanks for catching up. I'm going to finish this up, probably do 1 or 2 more coats, and it'll be done. And then we can call it a day, and then I can go take some cute pictures with these out in the backyard so I can get this video up for you. But yeah, we're going to just keep filling these in. It takes a while for the white to not be kind of see-through, for it to like look like a bead. So you just have to let it dry. You have to color it, let it dry, color it, let it dry, because it is paint. But we're making our way through. Done. Look how cutie these are. Oh my god. These are so cute. Okay, so tomorrow, when it's not pitch black outside, I'm gonna do a little video photo shoot, and then yay, we're all done. Oh my god, they're so cute. I love them. Oh my god, I love them. They're so cute. You guys, they're so cute. I absolutely love the way they turned out. Oh my god, they're so cute. All the way. Oh, what Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I finished the ears and I had such a fun time doing it. It was pretty easy, and after buying the ears pretty cheap to get the markers on Amazon, the paint markers, I will link them down below. I have changed into a car shirt to match my nephew to go to my sister's birthday dinner. But I had so much fun making these, and I think anybody can do it. Shout out to the creator who does it first. I think she even sells them. So if you don't want to make it, go buy it from her. Hers are beautiful. But I did my own, and I'm so excited to wear these to the park one day. And yeah, I will be uploading more consistently now that my family emergency is over. But I will be uploading consistently again coming up soon. So I will see you guys next week for another video. Bye. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.